Yeah, we are going to learn about social media marketing. In the previous class, social media marketing part one video explained about how social media can increase the traffic in the e-commerce website. Uh, Before that, we learned about social media as well as search engine optimization, search engine marketing, and how it will benefit to the e-commerce platform. So what is why the marketers turn to doing social media marketing and all. So definitely it's again obviously when we talk about social media marketing, definitely we have to talk about uh, digital marketing because it is under social media is under digital marketing. So, it is very very important. Like a marketer should have to think about digital marketing as well as social media marketing. So to use the digital platforms, to use the digital platforms in this era is again it is again inevitable one. So it allows the brand to market their products and services, market their products and services, but also offers online customer support through 24/7 service to make the customer feel supported and valued. You know that the use of social media or digital marketing allows brand to receive both positive and negative feedback from their customers. So that is the main reason. So if a company is ready to accept the feedback or ready to accept the criticism, they can correct what exactly the wrong thing which they are continuously doing. And more than that, customer would feel a cognitive attachment towards the e-commerce company. Like if any problem comes, it's just a click away. I can communicate with the organization. That needs more security to the customers. That needs more trust. That that generate more loyal customers for the social media platform. Have an example. If you buy Bullet or Enfield, and if you find some problem with the bike, previously it was very difficult. You have to go to the dealer and you have to speak with them, and dealer will say there is a service cost, but it was not because of your fault, it's because of the manufacturing fault, and it was very very difficult to connect with the the organization, the main manufacturer. But right now it is very very easy. You can just get into the Enfield, Hindustan Motors, I mean like Enfield Facebook page, and you can just comment over there, or you can just chat with the Facebook Messenger bot, or you can go to the directly to the website, and you can connect with them. Or the best option is tweeting, tweet. So that is what exactly how social media is leveraging the effort of organization as well as the customer to connect with. So here comes the I mean like the very very uh, like immediate form of a CRM, customer relationship management. So it is now common for consumers to post feedback online through social media sources, websites, blogs, WhatsApp, even for their services as well as product or brand. No, it is not surprising that billions of a marketing, I mean like a marketing department is spending on uh, social media. So what happens? They are more than that. They are spending on traditional media. Now people are less spending on traditional media. What exactly traditional media is? Again, like TV, radio, billboards, etc. Definitely that won't trigger the sales. Sales, we can trigger the sales with a social media marketing. We can develop a brand through advertisement on TV, because when an advertisement comes in TV, definitely we believe that, oh, that much, the brand has that much of quality, that brand is again having that much of asset, etc. So because for TV advertisement, the brand has to spend more than social media marketing. So when a advertisement, have an example, an e-commerce advertisement is featuring in an English TV channel, definitely the brand will increase, brand value will increase for that e-commerce company. So for a reason, definitely TV advertisement is one of the best advertisement for brand creation. For sales volume creation, definitely social media platform and digital marketing is the best way. Best way. uh, Digital marketing and social media marketing backed with TV advertisement, definitely it can generate more brand as well as generate like a brand value as well as more sales. So that is what exactly the social media marketing contains. Three essential features: to create a buzz, create a trend, create a word of mouth digitally, create a trend actually, trend, create waves of different trends and all. It creates waves of for customers or fans to engage in conversion with each other and organizers. It allows customers to promote the firm's messages themselves. Like they will, what exactly customer do? Customer will share, like, comment, so that others will get noticed about the brand. So this is what exactly social media is doing. On the other hand, you can take the TV advertisement. TV advertisement, no one can share TV advertisement, but an advertisement you can see on YouTube. You can share that advertisement through the link, URL link. If you are watching a product on Facebook, definitely you can share, you can save on your phone, then you can send it to some other people, you can refer others, you can directly get into the website and you can order. But through TV you cannot order the product. Right now TV have been changed. All the TV, all the what we call as the computer monitors, even computer monitors have been changed. Now the TV are of smart TV features, having smart TV features. Then also we cannot stop an advertisement and check into the e-commerce platform. We cannot do that. After the advertisement or in between the advertisement, we can switch from the channel and we can get into a e-commerce website as advertisement has featured just before, and you can just log in and you can order. But in Facebook or other social media platform, what happens? If an advertisement comes featuring an advertisement on social media, what happens? Directly, by clicking on that advertisement, you will directly, send it. You are drives to the website. So you will directly dive into the website. See, the buying process have been leveraged through digital media and social media platforms. So this is a 8-step strategy. So this is none other than the strategy which e-commerce platform can use to achieve their marketing plan, achieve the sales, etc. The first one is identify your business goals from day one. Identify your business goals. What is the reason to identify the business goals? So every social media activity should serve everyone's business goal. So jumping into social media just because it is easy to create a profile and follow people will not make any difference. It's all about your brand reputation online. So identify your business goal and find the best social media platform and work with that. So this is the first strategy. The business goal. What is your business? What should be your sales volume in 1 year? Okay. Then craft your social media marketing objectives. Like the social media marketing team of an e-commerce company have to specify certain things like the goals, the plans, the achievement, the return on investment, then products should be featured, then offers, etc. Measurable, achievable, relevant, time. It is called as SMART. So social media goals should be smart in nature. Okay, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time based. So time based in the sense like why you should have a idea about you should have an idea about why you are giving an advertisement in social media platform. That is what exactly specific. And time based is up to what time your offers will be valid, or what is the duration, or what is the tenure of this advertisement. After 2 years also you can say like your advertisement is in social media and people are coming into your website because of that advertisement. You cannot say it like that. An advertisement is for a certain time. Okay, have an example, festival offers. You have to make new advertisement. Instead of resharing the same advertisement for every year, it won't make any sense. Measurable, definitely there are different tools to measure social media activities. Have an example, every platform is giving measuring option or analytical option. Have an example, Facebook is giving Facebook advert. In Facebook advert, we can measure the advertisement effectiveness through Facebook, through the e-commerce page. How many people have gone through the advertisement? How many has engaged with that advertisement? How many got us click-through rate, CTR, click-through rate? Then how many has shared? How many has purchased? How many has signed in? So this is what exactly measured. Which category of people have been interested in your advertisement? So everyone can be, everything can be. Then the goal should be achievable. It shall be achievable. It shall not be a fictionable goal. Through social media advertisement, I have to make a $1 trillion business. No, it cannot be done until and unless your business should be that much of established business. Have an example, 1 trillion can be achieved in 1 year by a company like Amazon. Okay, a company like Alibaba, but a company like a startup e-commerce company cannot achieve those things. So achieve, uh, you have to be very vigilant about your present status. Next is relevant. It should be relevant, same like achievable. Relevant in the sense your offers, your advertisement should not be I mean like fictitious. I mean like fictitious. Yes, it should be relevant. And if your advertisement is for a seasonal purpose, at that time only that advertisement is valid. Okay, that is what exactly relevancy or credibility. Third one is understand the audience person. Definitely you have to segment, STP, segmentation, targeting and positioning. STP, age, gender, the education, income, location, etc. The business is never about you, and you are not supposed to give what you want. You have to give, or the e-commerce company have to give, or e-commerce company have to support the customers or prospects by giving the product which they want. Okay. How many of you have heard about Domestika? Domestika. It is an application where you can learn plumbing, you can learn carpentry work, you can learn craft, but you have to pay. You can learn watercolor. It's a good app. What is the I mean like a segment? Who are the target customer? So the target customer of that particular platform is none other than those I mean like those who wish to know more about carpentering, plumbing, animation, Photoshop, editing, watercolor, illustrations. Okay, maybe like some people have such hobbies like watercoloring, photography. They will go and join. Some people like after retirement, they would like to learn some skills like watercoloring. So see the segment, what exactly they are looking for. Plumbing. Have an example in European countries, in Western countries, they won't they won't prefer to hire a plumber or an electrician or a carpenter. Instead of that, they would learn. There are courses, there are offline courses. They will go and study carpentry, plumbing, and electrician. I mean like electrical. It's an integrated course. Carpentry, plumbing, and electrical. My my friend had gone through that course and he has passed, and he is in Canada working with the Oceano Ocean Science Institute, Oceanography Institute. Because it is not because they are not able to find plumbers, electricians, or carpenters. It's because the remuneration for plumbers, and electrician carpentry can't afford, because that those jobs are you know very lucrative jobs for them. Those jobs are very lucrative. If you are hiring those people, you have to burn your pocket like it. So people will build their own house there. People would go for I mean like people would you know do electric works, plumbing works, etc. So this Domestika is a good application and e-commerce platform where they are targeting on certain age group, gender, education, income, location, and other demographic as well as geographical factors. So this is what exactly understand the audience and person. Then we can find out the target. then we can find out the target and we can set the target on the back end of each social media platform before advertising, before airing the advertising. Okay, we can select the segment by language, segment by income, segment by occupation, segment by taste. Have an example, coffee lovers. Hello, in Facebook we can have an option called their preference. They have given thousands of preference. So I'm a person like I have started a um, online coffee powder or coffee vending machine selling coffee powder or vending machine through online. So I need to get order. So people love coffee is another criteria. So I would like to take people love coffee in a demographic profile. In a demographic profile, I would select the coffee lovers. I would select companies. Okay, small startups where they will buy these kind of products. So that is what exactly. Understand the audience instead of understanding the audience. You are not segmenting anything. You are sharing things. It won't make any sense. The fourth one is research competition and know what to do. So, like followers and followings of your competitors or of the competitors of the e-commerce company, posting frequency, how they are posting, how many times they will post in a day, in a week, a month, etc. Time, what time they will post, type of content, the context of the content, engagement rate on social network. If you can observe some small things in TV channels, have an example for Malayalam channel, for Hindi channel. You can select two channels of a same competition. You have to select one TV channel and the competitor of the selected one also, and you have to watch you know, one of the TV channel which you have selected. While at the time of advertisement, just flip your channel to the competitor channel of the channel which you have watched just before. There also you can see advertisement. Okay, because what is the reason? Because if one maybe like a good channel having advertisement, definitely people will switch that channel or flip the channel to another channel. Okay, so what this channel will do, this channel will identify, take the advertisement time of the competitor channel, and they will at the same time they will put the advertisement. So even the audience is flipping from their channel to their competitor channel. There is no another option for the audience. There also uh, the competitor is featuring the advertisement. Okay, the strategy will change. If someone is changing, the other will also change. So that we have to research. So that's why every e-commerce company need a good social media team. So list down the resources. The the fifth one is develop a content marketing strategy. Like as I said, every company need this what exactly a social media team where they have to go for producing good content like a blog post, videos, slides, PowerPoints, webinars, frequently asked questions, feature articles, press release, industry news, case studies, buyer guides, white papers, business news, etc. What do you mean by white paper? White paper is none other than the details of, like a details in the sense like it's saying like a newsletter, which having the fact and figures of the sales, of the human resource, of the operations, of different departments of the company. Fact and figures in the sense like a pie chart, graph, explanation, interpretation, everything would be there. It is called as data visualization. Okay, data visualization of each department and explanation of a data visualization. The sixth one is list down the resource and investment. Make an extensive list of tools and resources the e-commerce company for overall social media marketing strategy, like time to research, create, share, design images, infography, videos, then good digital marketers. The e-commerce company has to hire good digital marketers, good tools like Google Analytics, Google AdSense, then money to execute social media strategies, to budget allocation. Next one is distribute the task among the team members. Delegate. That is the seventh one. And the eighth one is measuring. Track the social media metrics on social media, return on investment. How, whether it is working or not. That the team has to develop. So there are different things in digital marketing. That's why marketers are again just plunged into social media marketing, like content marketing, email marketing. In email marketing, we can say like dedicated mails, lead generation mails, sponsorship mails, transactional mails, etc. Mobile marketing, social media marketing in mobile. You will learn that thing, Solomo. Digital marketing for increasing, social media marketing for increasing search engine optimization, pay per click, CTR, CPR, cost per rate or cost through rate, PPC, pay per click, cost per click, etc. So, like these are different methods of social media marketing. And at the end, consumer buying behavior. The shopper shops with a search engine. Do so because these provide the greatest amount of information about product and company. So consumer buying behavior have to be identified. What kind of consumer you have? You have to divide into A, B, C, D, different type of a segment. And for A segment, you cannot cater a social media advertisement for B. You cannot cater that advertisement like which is again suited for B, shall not given to A, because A have different taste, preference, need, etc. So consumer buying behavior also have to take into consider. To learn about a new goods and services, research and share information, make final purchase decisions, etc. So consumer rely on communities created by social media platforms. That's a dangerous thing for e-commerce platform. But without review and forums, e-commerce platform cannot go up like anything. So by the forum, with the light of the forum, with the light in the sense like with the light of the discussion in the forum, the companies have to know the customer trend or the new trend which the custom which the customer likes more. And the e-commerce platform has to change their website design, change their pattern of a payment, change the delivery pattern, pricing, everything, packaging, everything, product, services, everything, supply chain, logistics, etc. So this is the end of the second part of our social media marketing. We are almost over. So we'll have one more session on social media marketing. We'll have 15 minutes. We'll have 15 minutes. We'll discuss a case study also. Thank you so much.